Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 6. Let me tell you something. My skin has been eating. Did y'all see that shine on my forehead? And that don't even look like oil to me. Like, my skin, my Korean skincare routine has been eating down. Yeah. I have to get some more of this. Like, I should have got it yesterday. So I don't get to tell, but I do not wash my face in the morning. I use micellar water to clean my face. It's for my acne scars because I have quite a few that I need to get rid of. Moisturizer. I got this off of Amazon during I believe pre-Black Friday sale for $12. Since I'm trying to get rid of these acne scars, I cannot miss out skin sunscreen, so I'm using my Dermalogica sunscreen, and I'm just putting it over the areas that I have scarring because I don't like it near my eyes. And then for my eye cream, I'm going to use the Relief eye cream. This is the Aqua Bomb Gel eye cream. Honestly, with eye cream, you have to be patient. Like, it isn't something that's going to show you results in 2 days. And that is it for my morning skincare routine. And now let's book this nail appointment because we gotta get these nails done. Hi, can I make an appointment for a full set with Lynn for 1 o'clock? Yeah, I don't think I introduced this vlog. This vlog is kind of all over the place because my morning just didn't start off. Hold on, what's going on? My morning just didn't start off the best way that I wanted it to start. And it wasn't bad. I just didn't prepare my mind for my vlog. And also, like, I've been showing y'all the same morning routine for the past few days. So I was like, let me just start the vlog off a little bit more different and not do too much. I've been doing a lot for the past 5 vlogmases. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go with the flow today. So let's introduce the vlog though. My name is Danielle. I'm that girl. Do not please like, comment, subscribe. If you are new here, if you're returning, hey babe, welcome back. We're about to go get our nails done. I did clip my nails. I cut them down super short because my natural nails grow so freaking fast. It's ridiculous. I'm about to be late as well. I'm supposed to be there at 1 o'clock. It's 12:57. It's because these cars are just driving so damn slow. But it's fine. She'll wait for me. She'll be like 5 minutes late. It ain't that serious. But yeah, so we about to go get these nails done. I don't know what I'm doing. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what color I'm doing, but I have a color in mind, but I'm not sure. So we'll just see when we get there.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love.
So y'all, I just finished getting my nails done. They're so cute. I'm put them in the sunlight. So cute. I wanted to do a chocolate brown. I don't know if I like it. Like, I'm really like weird when it comes down to like browns or just different colors on my nails. The shape came out good. At first we was having a little bit of issues with like shaping and stuff. I guess this wasn't her day. You know, we girls, we get our periods, we'd be moody. So she had to keep going back and filing and all that stuff and like re-rounding it, pointing it, all that, making it pointier and all that stuff. But this is the nails. They are so freaking cute. I love them down. I saw somebody with a chocolate brown on TikTok, and I was just like, yeah, I think that's gonna be my next color. Like, I'm just going more deeper, not deeper, but I'm just going into trying different colors with my nails, because I used to always be so scared to do different colors that I always just did like a pink or a neutral brown. Like, I never did, not neutral brown, a neutral, like a nude, or like I would do a pink. I never did different colors. So I was like, you know what, I did red, I did another color, I did funny bunny, and I'm doing brown. And I'm like, at least just do different colors, like who cares? So let's see if I get any compliments on this at work. I have to eat breakfast because I mean I ate pizza, but like honestly that was not shit. Like, I need to eat something else. So I also want to see if I got a ticket. Okay, I didn't get a ticket. I paid for the meter mad late, so I was hoping that they didn't give me a ticket already. But yeah, I have to be at work at 4 o'clock today. Unfortunately, 4:45. And I just texted my boyfriend to ask him if he wanted me to come pick him up from the gym. And he didn't answer, so... Oh, he said yeah, okay. Oh, wait, no, he didn't. He's responding yeah for something else. Let me call him one more time because... But yeah, one of my IG friends, she was telling me to put on steady shot on my camera. And like, so like I won't have the shakiness going on. Because I noticed that in some of my vlogs. Like, it's really like shaky. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna put it on. But I remember that when I put it on, it cropped me in a lot. So I was just like, damn, I left it at standard. It's either off, completely off, standard, or active. I left it as standard because it's like semi helping me a little bit, but it's not helping me enough. I just have to really control my hand when I'm holding my camera, or not have a tripod. I'm thinking I might just not have a tripod, because when I have a tripod, I'm just like holding it from the tripod. When I have my whole hand on the camera, I can be a little bit more steady. So, but that's a little dangerous when you just don't have a tripod. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna, when I'm doing like stuff like this, I'm gonna have a tripod. But when I'm like moving around, I'm being active, if I'm at a store, etc., or I'm out, I'm gonna be hands-on with my camera, and hopefully that will help with the steadiness of it. But yeah, we working on that for Vlogmas. What else was I gonna tell y'all? Oh my god, it was important. Was it important? I hate when I gotta tell y'all something and I forget. I'm checking off my list right now, and for like when I'm doing Vlogmas, I actually write down a list of the things that I have to do for that day, so I can stay organized and I can actually have the film to edit and I don't miss anything. So what should I do now? I don't have to be at work until like 2 more hours. I'm like, what should I do? I wanted to go to work early. Let me ask my manager if I can come in early. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. So, y'all, I'm just headed to work early because I'm not doing nothing else. I text my manager, but he's off, so he's not even going to answer me. And, yeah, I'm just going to go early. I need to make money. I was off for like the past fucking 3 days. I need to make some money because I got Christmas gifts to buy my man. And he still has to tell me what he wants for Christmas. So I'm just like, do you want anything? Like, I'll save my money. Oh, and I also ordered a Christmas tree today. I ordered a Christmas tree. I also ordered like the ornaments. I want to go to Target in Stanford to see what they got. Y'all, I need to stop. Let's go to work. I'm gonna just get some tomato soup because I need to eat something. I'm getting some tomato soup, and I'm about to meet Willie and Demisha. They went on break, so they're probably sitting over there. But look at my nails. I don't know, y'all. Do y'all like this? I don't know.
Recording the baby.
So I got tomato soup with avocado and some bread. Y'all can't see the bread. And I'm here with Demisha.
Oh my god, wait, hold on.
What?
My little
What?
my little like
Oh, stress scar and Willie.
but
And
it's gonna win.
I'm about to eat this tomato soup. I'm clocking in at 3 o'clock.
Like 4:30.
So yeah, I'm about to eat this tomato soup. This is all I'm gonna eat today.
Live now.
Mm-hmm.
You sent me on live earlier?
I saw a notification, but I was filming.
I was on live early. I had 192 viewers.
So
93.
I'm about to eat this and then go to work. I'm clocking it early. I get off at 9, so I'll probably just see y'all after work. I think I want to go to Target in Stanford. I don't know what time they close. I'm gonna see what time they close, but if they close at like 11, I'll probably go there after work to see what I can find. So yeah, let me eat my food. Literally no one here.
I need some red zombies though.
Ganley, hey. So y'all, I'm about to start editing this vlog right now. I have no idea. Also, before I start editing, I'm gonna take a shower, take a nice good shower. I'm gonna show you my winter skincare routine because it's different from my morning skincare routine. I don't even think I showed you my night skincare routine, or maybe I did. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you my winter skincare routine, and then I'm probably gonna head to bed because I gotta be at work at 9:45 in the morning tomorrow. Like, it's a damn shame, right? Yeah, I know. And it's 9 to 4. Like, yo, I don't know. Yeah, I gotta be to work early tomorrow. I gotta pick out what I'm wearing as well. And yeah, so let's get into my night routine.
When hell is like this, got to be more sick of the side of mind, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be more than they were for. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. Got to be more sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No father's not sabotage this. Got to be more than you before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away.